description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we start a special series called Meet the Manufacturer. I used to do these more often, and I'm going to start doing them again when I can find companies that want to be part of it. This is one from CG, and this is their YY Quick Masala curry. These are from Nepal, and in the next few days you're going to see lots of different varieties from this company. The Meet the Manufacturer, it starts out with an interview that I do on www.theramenraider.com with a representative from the company. And then I do the unboxing of what they send for the series. And then I cook, and I cook a lot, and it's just like one after the other. It's like an intensive on just that brand. So, pretty cool. Let's see here. So there's the noodle, and let me make sure it's so tiny. I think we put this in at the end. It doesn't, I wasn't able to see on this one. So we're gonna do this for 3 minutes on the boil. And yeah, oh yeah, I'll let you watch. So what's going on? It's Thursday, the 14th, right? Of August 2025. Our hot weather seems to have backed off quite a bit. It's cloudy, it's mellow. Dogs are outside barking. That hasn't been the thing lately. But yeah. Yeah. This is going to be an interesting series because they sent 2 branded bowls, so I'll be doing 2 reviews a day. Since I have 2 bowls, and not posting 2 rather, but doing 2, and yeah, it should be fun. But yeah, these are from Nepal. I really don't know a lot about Nepal. I'll be quite honest about that. I know that the Mount Everest is in Nepal. I know that there are people that guide people up Mount Everest called Sherpas. I believe the capital of Nepal, or a large city, is Kathmandu. But I think I'll be learning a lot about Nepal as I do this, which is cool. That's like one of my favorite parts of what I do. Is I learn more and more about different countries that I wouldn't know without reviewing instant noodles, which might seem kind of weird. I think it's kind of interesting and strange, but I've learned a lot of like tidbits of language and culture and things from reviewing instant noodles, because I have to do research and I have to figure things out. Like on the next one I'm doing is one of the CG brands. It's called Salty. That means like companion or like honored friend. Yeah, and I guess there's a slang version of it too. That's kind of like less nice, but I think it's about, I think the product has to do with like the honored friend, companion terminology. So yeah, I don't want to cook this too hard. I'm really curious how this will be. We'll find out shortly. Wow, it is so dark and gray and cloudy out there. I changed some settings on my camera, so hopefully they come out even better than before, which is not saying a lot, but we'll see how it goes. All right, here we are. Here's our piping hot bowl of noodles. And now we have sachets of seasoning. So we got a powder base. I had an interesting thing happen. We went to, we were just going to go to the store and get a couple things. We ended up going to a farmer's market that sprouted up downtown. It's kind of the annual thing that they have in the, just down the road. And we went to this, we went to the farmer's market. My wife wanted to get some berries, which she did. And my wife was like, hey, look at that. They have hot sauce. And I'm thinking like, hey, hot sauce. That sounds cool. So I went and I talked to this lady who had this hot sauce that had this ingredient from Ethiopia. And that sounded fascinating to me. So I'm like, I'm all over it. I tried it. It was good. I was like, yeah, I'll take one. I didn't even look at how much they wanted for it. It was $20. I'm like, whoa, I would never have bought a bottle of hot sauce for $20. I was like, no way. I bet you something went wrong. I'll go on their website. Sure enough, on their website, $20. It's a lot of money. Either way, let's give this a try. This was made in Nepal. That's pretty cool. Very exotic, very far flung place. So let's cheers. Mmm. This one's a little extra broth. Very salty. Has a strong onion flavor to it from the oil. It's not bad. You know? It's got a bit of heat too. Ooh. This is pretty good. I'm impressed. I didn't know how I would like this. By the way, they sent a couple bowls. And they have their logo on them. Let me fill it and then I can rotate it and you can see their logo on the bowl, which is pretty rad. There we go. Yeah, generally the bowls that I get aren't the right size. Oh yeah, it's on both sides, huh? There, now you can see it. Come on, right there. Okay. So what are we going to add on to this one? This is actually a vegetarian styled masala, curry masala. Let's try these two. So I would use chicken, but I'm not going to use chicken in this one. I'm going to throw a little sesame seed. I'm going to go kind of basic on this. A little seed. And a little crushed red pepper. Like that. And I think that's good. We'll see. Yeah, but I've got a few of these to do. There's some spicy ones. There's all sorts of different flavors to sample that I will be sampling over the next few days. So I'm excited. I hope you are. Watch it rotate. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is another one of CG's brands that I mentioned earlier. This is Soul Tea Instant Noodles with chicken soup base. And that'll be on the next... Oh, I should have made an egg next time. It's another brand of CG Group, or Chaudhary Group. And yeah, more from Nepal coming your way. So this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
It's the ramen of life.